guys, welcome once again to my channel. Are you stopping by for the first time? Please hit the red subscription button below. Also turn your notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Let's build this family together. Guys, in today's video I'm going to make a body butter. This body butter is what I'm using right now, so you can use it and also thank me later. And also you can ask the question that you want me to do for you, either pro-mixing or organic. So stay back, let's go and make this body butter together. Welcome once again to my channel. Guys, we are going to start our body butter. Please let me introduce you to the ingredients and the equipment. I'm using these spoons. I'm using 7.5 and 2.5 ml or 5 ml of my spoons. So I'm using 15 ml, my spatula and my spoon. So I'm going to introduce you to the ingredient. I'm using mango butter. Guys, you can use shea butter or cucumber butter or lavender butter, any butter of your choice. And I'll be using my 42 hours oil. This one is my oil, please, not the cleanser. I'm using the oil. I'll also use my SKINCARE oil. This one is a treatment oil, and at the same time it's lightens and glows the skin. I'll be using one concentrate, which is the Citro serum. I will use my Rosehip oil. I love this oil because it will let your skin be moisturized very well. I'll also use my Propylene glycol. I'll add some to my production, and also use my bare eclat kenakol. This oil or serum is for green veins and stretch marks. It will fade it gradually and glow your skin very well. So right now I'm going to sanitize all my equipment before I will start with. So I'm going to spray my cup and my spoons very well. I'm going to clean all my equipment. So I'll be using my tissue to clean all my equipment. I'll do it back at my camera, but I'm doing one for you guys to learn. So let's start to make our body butter. Guys, I'm using mango butter. You can use shea butter, please. You can use mango butter, cocoa butter, any butter of your choice. I'm going to measure in 250 ml of my mango butter, and I will put it into my cup. Yes, this is my 250 ml. I'm going to put it into my cup. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Guys, please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel so that we can move this family ahead. Guys, after putting it into my cup, I'm going to blend it a little bit for it to become so soft for me to add the rest. So right now I'm still blending my mango butter. You can use shea butter, cocoa butter, any butter of your choice, cucumber butter, lavender butter, any butter of your choice. Guys, I'm using my mango butter. So now I have to blend my mango butter. Look at it, it's so soft, it's like a cream. It's good on my skin. It's very good on my skin. It's like a cream. It's so white. So we are going to add in our oil to our butter, and my first oil will be SKINCARE oil. Guys, I will start with SKINCARE oil. Look at how our mango butter look like. It's like an ice cream, but it is not ice cream, guys. This one is better. So I'm going to add in my SKINCARE oil. This one is a treatment and a glowing oil. So whilst it is treating your skin, it will also glow it and becoming so soft and nice tone. This is how it look like, guys. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of it into my mango butter. Two tablespoons. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons, making it 30 ml of my oil. I've added in 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add in another 1. This is my second tablespoon. After adding in our SAA oil, I'm going to also add in my 42-hour oil. This 42-hour oil is for the face, for the hand, and also for the feet. So it's a glowing and lightening oil. It's very, very good for the skin. It will make your skin glows, making it smooth and also nice uniform tone. So right now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of it. Yes guys, 2 tablespoons of my 42-hour oil. 1 tablespoon and also another 1 tablespoon, making it 2 tablespoons, equivalent to 30 ml of my oil. This is my 42-hour oil. I'm going to show you a picture of it. This is my 42-hour oil. I'm going to also add in my Citro serum, guys. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of my Citro serum. This serum is a concentrate. So guys, please, if you don't want your skin to be brighter more, please add in only 1 tablespoon. But for me, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons because all the oils I've added is for glowing and also for brightening. So this one will give it a brightening effect. That concentrate will give it a brightening effect. Guys, I'm going to also add in my Rosehip oil. Yes, this oil is also a corrector. It will correct that dark spot or dark circle on your face. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of it to my body better. Yes, Rosehip oil is very, very, very good, guys. You can even Google it and also know more important of Rosehip oil. I'm also going to add in my Propylene glycol to let this body better penetrate deeply into my skin very well, to work it very, very, very well. Yes, I'm also going to add in 10 ml of it. I'm using 5 ml spoon. Right, I'm going to add in my bare eclat kenakol for green veins and stretch marks. Guys, it will fade away green veins and it will give you that glowing effect. So I'm going to add in 10 ml of it, guys. After that, then I will mix my body better together very well. Please support me by subscribing, also liking my video and sharing my video. Guys, if you want me to bring all the authentic recipes here, then support me by subscribing and also liking and sharing all my videos to your friends, your family. Invite all your friends, your family together. Guys, we are going to mix it very, very well. Now I'm mixing it using my spatula. You can use your hand mixer, your hand blender, or anything that you wish to do your body better. This body better is so simple to make and you can do it. This body better is for glowing, for lightening, and also for brightening. It won't whiten your skin, guys. Please, this one is to glow your skin, to make your skin look supple, nice, succulent tone. So guys, if you want to whiten your skin, please, not this body better. This body better is for the maintenance, brightening, lightening effect. I'm going to put it into my container, but before that, I'm going to clean my sanitized container before I can add in all my body better into it, guys. So let's wait whilst I'm cleaning my container. Please, if you are doing this skincare things, make sure your environment are clean, sanitize one, guys. Please, I'm going to put all my body better into the container.
Please, one thing, don't put it near sun or fire. Please, this one is a better. So if you put it near sun, it will melt. So don't put it. You can even put it into your fridge, any place which is cool place. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.